Hello everyone, good afternoon. So today, bali, my family were busy. We were busy for the past days. Bakit ako hindi nag-upload ng videos? This is not only for the people who are watching my videos, but also especially for my families. So ganyan. So for the past week, wala talaga akong in-upload na video dahil busy po kami. After nga nung Christmas, after New Year na celebration, actually busy po talaga kami. And then, for now, madami kaming ginagawa. The first thing that we do today, we change namin. Today, pumunta ako ng clinic, nagpalinis ako ng ngipin. Supposedly, ang dami kong ipatanggal ng ngipin kasi gusto kong ayusin ng ngipin. But, I'm not that yet ready na tanggalin yung, kasi may mga crowns ako dito, tatanggalin siya and to be replaced lahat. So, I'm not that yet ready kasi magbe-birthday pa nga si Beatrice. So, I asked the dentist to give me another time, maybe after na ng ni Beatrice, ng birthday niya, at saka ako sikasuhin ko yung aking pin. Anyway, so today nag-change kami ng kanyang lamp. Kasi, Beatrice lamp, yung kwarto niya kasi, madilim na siya. So, we decided to change the lamp at her bedroom kasi ito pang baby pa siya. Pang baby pa to. So, nilinis ko na, nilabhan ko na, hinugasan ko na siya kasi this is glass. So, yeah, this is still working good. So, itago na lang natin yan or, ewan ko kung ibenta ng asawa ko yan, I don't know. Pero yan, change namin yung lamp ng bedroom ni Beatrice. Kasi, last time nung mag-aaral siya, it's too dark. So, I don't want her to suffer na nandyan sa room niya. Gusto niya mag-aral na napakadilim. Dapat maganda yung ilaw para hindi masisira yung mata ng bata. And all for today also, after cleaning up my teeth, bago kami umuwi ng bahay na nag-change ng lamp, we also received the laptop from the government para sa anak po namin. So, the government here in Portugal investing a lot for the kids. Yun, nirelease sila, binigyan sila ng laptop. Kumuha kami doon ng kanyang laptop. I'll show you then. So, yeah. So, this is the laptop that they released for the kid. So, for the information of everyone, yung anak ko po ay grade 1 pa lang. So, yun. This is a classmate PC. Siya-charge ng asawa ko kasi para pagdating ni Beatrice, tuturo natin siya how she should take care of her laptop. Though she already know how to take care of her pad kasi may pad naman siya. So, this one, they need to bring this to school when it is needed. Yun. Then, this one includes the bag. May bag sila na binigay. Meron din silang headset na inisyo. This is everything brand new po na yung gamit na ibinigay ng gobyerno. So, I don't know about the other kid, but yung binigay sa kay Beatrice, ewan ko kung nagkataon lang, but it's brand new po. So, this is power provided by us. This is for the internet, Wi-Fi. So, ayan. Provided din siya. And then, what they have here, more. Ang ganda ng bag. Kasi, may pwedeng masaksak sa loob isaksak yung laptop. And then you can charge it from outside. So, but, since this is too big for Beatrice to bring to school and to put inside her backpack, so, since I have also here, this siya sa notebook ko. So, I will give this to her for her to use. Pwede may lagay sa kasya naman to. Ayan. May lagay niya sa kanyang backpack na school bag. So, ayan. Para hindi siya mahirapan. Madaming dinadala. So, this is provided by the government. So, ayan. Today, we came home late after, mga 1 or 2 na, because we ate our lunch na din sa city with, that's what and then, maybe this, we also, what keeps us busy for the past days, kasi bumili po kami ng sasakyan, so we bought a brand new car, 2024 brand new car, Kaya nung pagkatapos kong sabihin na mag-window shopping tayo ng sasakyan, kung naalala nyo, nagulat yung asawa ko. Kasi ako, pag sinabi ko na mag-window shopping tayo or whatever I may say, alam niya na tinutotoo ko yun. Pero sabi ko lang naman is window shopping tayo ng sasakyan. So maybe when this video is uploaded, susunduin ko po kasi namin yung sasakyan namin on Monday. Kasi nire-ready pa yung mga plaka, nire-ready pa yung lahat ng mga kailanganin, registration and everything. So, susunduin namin sa Monday. So, this will be uploaded on Monday. Kaya, while you are watching these videos, baka nasundo na po namin yung aming sasakyan. So, it will be a big surprise for our daughter also. You know, everything we're doing here is for our daughter lang naman. Kasi, yung luma naming sasakyan, in fairness, pera ko po yung ginamit sa pagbili ng luma naming sasakyan. And then, we might sell it also para we can have money to set aside to save. And then yeah, tapos yung yung for the safety kasi yung sasakyan namin madami na siyang gagawin na ulit, madami ng mga repair. So much better, we prefer na okay, it's time for us, I think, to buy a brand new one para hindi na shadow yung asawa ko na gagawin pa, ang daming gagawin natin. May sakit po kasi yung asawa ko. From the past 2019, he was under medication and rehabilitation since 2019 until last year, until this year actually. And it will be continued. But because of that, he is already retired at the age of 43. Actually, nag-retire na po siya last year, March. And I hope you will continue watching our videos. Please support us. It will not be so much travel also. It's all about the life here. But
we have to save ourselves too, you know. It's not that we will give our life for the vlogging only. We have to take care of our life. Then we'll be more time here to make you enjoying the movies.
Yes, we will. It's just part of enjoyment. Dahil retired na mga po siya. So, we are just making our time. We're just taking our time and enjoy the moment while we can. This is the most important because some people forgot. They already forget to live their life by making money. They already forgot that they have to live and to enjoy.
Yeah.
So I am also blessed na kahit naman papano I were able to enjoy our life. Kasi when this is the thing for the kids there around there that you are still young, it is really good when you are still single and you are still capable to travel. Please travel by yourself with your friends. Kasi when you get married, hindi na po yung parang naalibadbaran ka to stay at home because you traveled na siya. You traveled na. Unlike when you get married and never been out and never been traveled, but you always wanted to go out, you have your family to take care of. That's why, as you noticed, we focus more on family. When he got sick, okay, focus first on the family because health is wealth. Without the health, you cannot travel, you can't go anywhere you want. But then, we already did travel. He already traveled in Asia also when he was single. I already traveled a lot. So, parang it's so easy. Life is more easy. It's easier when you get married that you already did at least something in your life. Na nakapag-travel ka, iba po talaga yung life. So, both of us, we already did that. That's why we encourage our daughter to study, to work, and travel. Kahit hindi naman around the world, but at least go out from the country and travel. Kasi it's really different. Your attitude is completely different when you travel. You are more understanding to the people. You will not judge the person. Kasi hindi ako nag-judge ng person eh. I only judge a person when they already did something to me. That's who I am. Pero yung gagawa ako ng no. I am always open-minded. Tapos, I only judge them. I only do something, but if they did something bad to me, tsaka lang ako
And to go back to the traveling, I think the people that already travel outside of their own country, they know what we are talking about when we are saying, you have to go out, you have to explore, don't stay only inside your house. Country can be a house too. Because you don't know, how do the people outside, who do they talk, how do they go to the train? Best
It's
example.
fun.
Some others don't care if you have to walk 1 hour before you reach, I don't know, a supermarket or something.
Yes.
Here in Europe, sometimes it's like that. People want to put the car inside the supermarket if they can. They don't want to walk 1 meter. So
Yeah, that's the reality. So you can really see sometimes when the people are, why are they like this? Before, I don't believe for what they are telling me about the Portuguese people, but slowly molly I were able to understand.
yeah,
Let's not say, let's not, basta may mga culture talaga na you will understand slowly. Why are they like this? Why are they like that? Parang nga ganon. So yeah, we have a completely different culture and tradition. So, but advice to the couple out there that who is couple, single person that planning to marry a foreigner, you should really have to be open-minded and to adjust to the culture.
Yes.
Kasi magkaiba po talaga yung culture natin. Even we are Filipino, same Filipino or Portuguese, they have still different attitudes. So how much more if you have came from different culture? So ganun po. So yeah, look at my husband. You think
if
as
you're
he...
not able to adjust yourself to the culture of your partner, you're not able to enjoy the life and enjoy traveling because it's not fun for you. So first thing of all, you have to, if you have a boyfriend, girlfriend that is from a different country, adjust yourself also to the other culture, learn their traditions, learn the way they eat.
Yeah, because me, I also try to cook their food. But my husband, since he is not from here also, so, kaya minsan, maybe you will see, why you're not cooking a Portuguese food? Because my husband is not also from here. That's one reason. Kaya, so if you will see, I am more on burger, pasta, spaghetti, pizza, because that's how he was brought up. Sa Germany po kasi siya.
Potatoes.
Sa Germany ko po kasi siya pinalaki. Unlike here, they are more also in fish.
Chorizo, soup,
Soup, ganun sila dito.
and
So,
wine.
if you will want to ask about the culture here in Portugal, just ask our daughter Beatriz, and she knows better than us.
Yes. And she will not be shy to tell you.
She is a proud Portuguese.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that. Our daughter is so proud Portuguese. Yeah. She loves her country. Don't worry about that. It's one thing. She loves her country. So anyway, yeah, I told them about how the government are investing about the computer, about the international school.
Yes.
So yeah, we are thankful for that. At least slowly, slowly, Portugal is getting into embracing the new world. And to the Portuguese people also, embrace the new world, because there's a lot of Filipinos who earn money from YouTube, from Facebook. So I hope you will also embrace those, kasi those are, if you will see, there's a lot of Filipinos around the world making YouTube channel, and they are earning from that. So it is also promoting your products, promoting your country. Tourism, it's a lot. Madami pong benefits yung pagkagawa. Kasi, I'm only saying this because here in Portugal, the one that are making YouTube channel are mostly Brazilians.
Yes.
And not from Portugal itself. Yun ang na-notice ko. I saw a lot of homestead in Portugal, but they are not Portuguese. They are from Canada, Switzerland, from any other country, or from outside, not from Portugal itself. Then, there are some Portuguese. When I check, they are from Brazil.
Yes.
So I haven't seen any really. There are few,
but
successful
like you always
vloggers.
say, unfortunately, they don't get that support that they really deserve from their own.
You have to support each other.
Yeah,
This is the
help
thing.
each other.
Use your blah blah,
Like
liking the video or commenting on the videos.
Every comment is welcome, because negative or positive, they're always welcome.
Yes.
They help.
So yun. I encourage Portuguese people also. There are so many beautiful ladies out there. No? There are so many, especially in Madeira Island, ang daming magagandang mukha. Grabe, ang gandang mukha nila. So you have to support each other. Use those your connections on social media. Turn it into money. Actually, I was already how do you call that? Monetized But before the YouTube approved my monetization, I deleted all the videos that I had before dahil nga nagkasakit siya at ayokong i-expose yung sakit niya. So, every time I make a video, I was crying. So, I say, what's this for? I want to have a good vibes. And at least now that thanks to God, it seems everything is doing well. So, we can start up again. So, there's no problem. We are not in a hurry to be monetized. But we are still hoping that someday that we can help others also.
Yes.
Yun lang. Ano po, yung plano namin is, we will show it in the next video.
Yeah.
It was already well planned kung sinong magdadala sa amin doon. Because one thing, my in-laws also don't know about this. My family in Philippines, yes. My in-laws here, it's also a surprise for them. Yan. Mahilig kami mag-surprise. Hayaan mo na sila. So yeah, surprise especially for Beatrice. Later, the surprise for her bedroom because she has a new lamp. Dahil nga pinalitan nga namin. So she has a new lamp and I really, really like it too. No, Papa? So we are doing everything as we can. We are doing the best as we can for our daughter po. So whatever I am doing also, lahat dito, taking care of them because of them. What are we going to do in our life? Enjoy our life as much as we can with our family.
With the life, if you're not investing in a daughter, what are you going to do with all that money that you might save? You're going to bring it with you. You're going to bring your car and your airplane, your helicopter, your ship, everything around with you.
All the land, the houses.
What are you going to do with all of it? When you die,
All your jewelries.
you have to left it for your kids. So you have to invest
So lahat po yan ito.
in
Everything.
their happiness too.
We are doing this, everything, para kay Beatrice. But we are thankful. Beatrice is a simple kid. She appreciates everything. Yun lang. Kasi sa pagpapalaki din po kasi yun. We really try our best to make as simple as it is. And she is so appreciative when very simple things. Yun lang. Kahit maliit lang yan, kahit bagong coloring na yan, so tuwang-tuwa na yan. Kahit isang pirasong pencil yan, tuwang-tuwa na yan. Kahit even a small chocolate or whatever. And her favorite snacks na pistachio. Her favorite snacks. Baka gusto mo...
Portuguese food,
Baka gusto niyo magbigay kay Beatrice. If you want to give Beatrice, pistachio as her favorite snacks. Pistachio nuts. She don't eat so much any other nuts.
I like it too.
Our pistachio and cashew. But the cashew is not salty.
Pistachio is also important for me for my health too because
Yes.
it's helping. You know the benefits of it. Important.
So, ayan. So, yeah. What he is going to do, because we already told you that he is retired now, so he has to do is to take care of himself, do exercise. I encourage him to do exercise every day, even 10 minutes morning and night time, and eat healthy food. Yun lang po naman yung pwede niyang gawin. Wala naman, anong gagawin niya? Magtatamling-tamling, no. So, yan. He can do nothing more than that, so he has to take care of himself. At saka naman, I'm just here, just in case someday I will work, so I hope that she is already ready for that also. God knows everything. Hindi po minamadali lahat. Because if God really wants you to have it, it's really smooth. Will come in
If
your
it's
hand.
for you, it will be for you.
Yes.
No matter what will happen in the time.
Sa
because
totoo lang.
you can change it also the same like you can change the day when you are born. It's not on your power when you will be born. Even if some trying it. And the day that you want to die, it's also not in your hand because
Yes.
so many try to kill themselves and in the end they still have to survive more day, more
Yes.
day, more year, more 10 years.
Yes. So I hope that you get something from us for today, and we will try to share more about our life here in Portugal. Anything, and you can also comment or ask what do you want to know about the culture here in Portugal.
Give some ideas.
Yes, if you have any ideas or you want to know something about here. Kasi di naman po natin alam. That's why we are here as a community. So you will also share what you have in your mind that we can share for you. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.